Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I want to walk around and show you this 2009 International Durastar we have for sale. It's a max force diesel, 6-speed manual transmission. It's got 193,000 miles on it. It's got a maintainer body, maintainer crane, hydraulic air compressor. It's got a bunch of slide-out tool shelves, hydraulic outriggers. It's a really nice truck. We bought it from I think this truck belonged to VNSF Railroad. When we got it in, we knew it needed a little bit of work. We sent it to International dealer over in Birmingham, Alabama. Spent about $10,000 on it over there. It got a high pressure pump, new radiator, new fan clutch, a bunch of stuff. So should be trouble free for the foreseeable future. They checked it out, so anyways, I'm gonna walk around and show it to you. I worked the crane, already got everything going, so I put new batteries in it. Power windows, power locks, air conditioning. This truck does not have a radio. I guess it didn't come with one because those are covered up where speakers would be, and it has no place for a radio up there. I hadn't seen that. Obviously, if you wanted to put one in it, they would go about right here, and it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but didn't come with one. I think most people listen to their phone now anyway. Get a Bluetooth speaker or headphones, welding jack for your welder. Crane one back here. Up. Next down. Extension out. Extension in. Side to side. Bring her back down. That's a 6350 max and 24-foot reach. Work the outriggers right here off these levers. Down and out. You got the feet over here you can put on them. Back up. Other levers in there to work your crane if you had a problem with your remote. Air compressor on here. $44 on the compressor. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're probably going to be looking around $2 to $2.50 a mile on this truck. It's a big boy. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is we will post it on our dispatch board. And we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going wherever you're at. We want to pick it up and take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready waiting to leave out. So normally it takes about 3 to 7 days to get the truck. It could be more on a truck like this. It's probably going to take a little bit longer, and it really depends on where you're at. But normally 3 to 7 days you'll have the truck. If you're one of those people, you got to know the exact second it's going to leave. The only way to know that is to come pick it up in person. If you decide to go that route, we're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. I guess that's about it. Again, it's an 09 International Durastar. I'm trying to get the hours everywhere. 9,200 hours. Not bad on this truck. Most of these big trucks have a lot of hours on them. People tend to let them run. 193, 732 on the miles. What was I at? Oh yeah, 09 International. Maintainer body, maintainer crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, 6-speed manual, 22 5s on it, air brake truck. What was the GBR on this? 33,000 GVWR, so is a CDL truck. I guess that's it. If you're interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852, heavymetalauto.com. Thanks for watching.